on how Sintrones solution could be adopted into different industries with ease and transform business. Smart fleet management is not only about vehicle position tracking and tracing, but there are much more data to be included into calculation, such as real-time traffic flow, accident reports, and passenger information. All this data help fleet routing and scheduling smarter. Sintrones VBOX series are capable of 5G mobile network, Wi-Fi 6 wireless network, and V2X communication, which allow data can be transferred and transmitted in time between various devices. Combining the military grade of vibration and shock sender, VBOX series are the go-to solution for intelligent transportation system. Due to COVID-19 pandemic outbreak, smart manufacturing solution to increase productivity, efficiency, without additional labor are getting more and more attention. The dimension, environmental spec, and industrial-focused I/O of SBOX series enable not only industrial IoT application, but also outdoor signage application. The most exciting news is there is a new SBOX based on Intel 11th generation Core i Tiger Lake platform will be released Q4 this year. Sintrones A-Box and E-Box series can be equipped with various GPU options depending on the performance level needed to accelerate the data processing and decision making. Rich I/O and expansion of A-Box and E-Box series allow connection between different types of devices, which make them perfect platform for edge AI computing solution. Thanks to Derek, Judy, and James again for their presentation. Next, it is our honor to have our partners to share with us on their success story utilizing Sintrones solution. Now, I would like to welcome our first guest speaker, Mr. Munir Svendal, Account Director of Trapeze Group, our partner from the Middle East. He will be sharing with us how Sintrones in-vehicle platform has been integrated into Trapeze fleet management solution to enhance the taxi operations in Dubai.
Trapeze provides a complete end-to-end taxi solution that helps Dubai RTA provide taxi service that is efficient, safe, and reliable. RTA is the transport authority in charge of transport, roads, and traffic in Dubai. Their aim is to provide efficient transport for all passengers and to provide a great customer experience for every journey. RTA is also committed to help taxi operators by providing them with a cutting-edge technology that is reliable and allows them to easily manage their day-to-day operation. As everyone knows, in Dubai, one of the main challenges for the equipment is the temperature. It can reach up to 50 degrees during the summer. We also have high humidity, high vibrations, and dust to consider. The hardware needs to be reliable to work within this condition. Dubai is an active city where taxis are working 24/7. Then the hardware needs to be constantly running. Sintrones helped us design a high-end solution that supports high temperatures. They developed technology to dissipate heat and added security to avoid the hardware being damaged in case of extremely high temperatures. Sintrones worked very closely with our team to meet our requirements. We also did many trials together on the equipment to verify that it was able to meet expectations under the operating conditions. The Sintrones solution is proven to be reliable in the harsh taxi environment, including high temperature, humidity, dust, and vibration. The VX9 has been in service for more than 8 years and is proven to meet and exceed expectations. Sintrones provide excellent support as well as providing direct lines of communications between our design engineers.
Thank you, Mr. Mounier. Up next, I would like to invite our French distributor, Mr. Clément Goudier, Sales Director of Sphinx Group. Let's hear about how the Sintrones VBOX provided benefits for use on fishing boats that are being operated all over the world, and how the VBOX met the key requirements of public bus fleet management system in Barcelona.
So good morning, I'm Clément from Sphinx. I'm the sales director for France, Spain, and Italy. Today I will tell you about two stories, two use cases made by our customers where Sintrones was a very good value. So I will start with the boatfish industry. They used to make a solution for fisheries, and they were looking for 75 years inside this industry. So they called us because they used to work with Dell computers, which were no finance and no industrial, and the ratio of failure was incredibly high. And so they considered to have something more industrialized, because when they have the boat stop in the port, it's a lot of money for them. Then we look at a very good computer, stable with lower error rate, and so we decided to go with VBOX first. But after some checks, we considered that SBOX was more practical. So we use them because it's very flexible. It can be E3, E5, E7 CPU. We choose the model 2620, and it was just perfect to run their software. Another point we made as well was to customize the device with their own logo, so they have a corporate solution, which was important for them in terms of image. So basically, they use it to run the software, as I said, and they basically buy 2 or 3 times per year, big quantities, and then they manage to deploy inside new boats, or they are retrofitting some part of them. Yes, they are very happy then because Sintrones provide a good delivery time, good quality of product. The error rate is none today, and so the customer is very pleased to continue with us. Today, if we still to provide this kind of service as Sphinx and together with Sintrones, I'm sure this customer will stay loyal to us and continue to deploy a large amount of device inside the fish boats. Now, let me introduce you another customer success story we manage in Spain with in transportation for buses, and they need to have a computer inside the buses in order to make the passenger information system and multimedia system as well. And they have 300 buses inside their fleet. The big challenge they had was to manage the iOS mainly. And when we arrived to this project, a competitor was already there, but we managed to send them very quickly a VBOX as a demo, VBOX 3150, and directly the project were going very well. They were very satisfied with the quality of the product and with the results. And they directly saw that it was a very good ruggedized computer with low maintenance and long availability in the market, which is very important for them for the maintenance. So at the beginning, we really went to the VBOX because of transportation and because the condition where the device is installed is very, very bad. A lot of roads are in very bad condition in the north of Barcelona, and there is a lot of vibration plus the heat. So thanks to the VBOX, which is very ruggedized, we were able to meet all the customer requirements and overpass it even. And so now they place orders quite regularly and make the deployment inside the bus, and they are very happy with the quality, the delivery plan we made, and the lead time. Everything is very fine, very low RMA rate as well. I think only one device, over 300 devices deployed, and so we expect to have very good result with the next fleet of products that will deploy.
Thank you, Mr. Kleeman. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Alaji and Mr. Goto from Hagiwara Electronics, our distributor from Japan. They will share how Hagiwara Electronics has implemented Sintrones rugged computer to provide safety construction vehicle solutions.
ひとまず、萩原エレクトロニクスはどういう会社ですか？事業内容を紹介していただけますでしょうか？
はい、弊社はですね、自動車関連のお客様に、マイコンや SOC、電子部品の販売とサポートを、行っております。お客様とのお付き合いの中で、車両周辺を監視する、画像処理技術を、長らく雇ってきました。で、その技術を活用して、建設業や、特殊車両の、活躍する、業界の安全向上に、お役立ちできる、システムの販売を新たに開始しようとしています。
はい。では今この業界で一番注目される課題と応用は何でしょうか？
私さん言いますか？
はい、この業界におきましては、自動車業界での、車両周辺のセンシング技術の発展に従いまして、その建設業界にもそういった自動車から降りてくる技術というところを、適用したいというやっぱ思いがありまして、建設車両の周辺の、安全、それの補助を行う装置への関心が高まっているという状況です。
はい、それで自動車業界で安全の課題は一番注目されると存じます。この課題と応用に対するハードウェアの使用要求は何でしょうか？
建設業界用の、特殊車両は、屋外の温度、振動や、耐水性など、非常に過酷な環境下にさらされるというのがありまして、それに耐えうる、堅牢な品質や、信頼性が、必要となってきます。また、そういった車両はですね、10年以上の、長期の活用をされるということが、想定されておりますので、システムに対しても、長期、安定の、供給サポートが、期待されております。
はい、それではお客様の要望に対してどのようなアクションとソリューションを取られましたか？
はい、ハードウェアの提案としましては、シントロネスさんの車載スペックの、PC の、研機スペックでの対環境性能の実現というのと、自動車業界にも実績のあるデジタルカメラの入力を可能にしまして、そこに弊社の AI 画像解析技術であったり、アルゴリズムを搭載してシステムのご提供を開始しております。この業界の車両は自動車と違い形状が様々で、車両ごとに動きや視覚、求められる安全の観点が様々ということもありますので、そういった複雑な課題に対して、弊社画像処理技術を活用して、お客様と共にフィジビリティスタディを行い、カメラの最適活用を提案で、検討を行いまして、最適なシステムの、検討に進めてまいりました。
はい、では弊社シントロネスの製品を採用した理由は何ですか？あるいはシントロネスの製品を使ったメリットは何ですか？
そうですね、やはり車載対応 PC の販売実績、というところで、採用させていただきました。はい、で今後はですね、その業界に必要な、ヘビーデューティーな対応製品の、開発力であったり、課題に対する、改善やですね、柔軟な対応力の方を期待させていただきますので、今後ともよろしくお願いいたします。
Thank you, Mr. Alaji and Mr. Godo. Next, we'll have Mr. Markku Nanen from SKS Control, Sintrones partner from Finland, joining us to discuss what kind of solution features were important to have when selecting a computer system for the tram lines in Tampere and Helsinki.
Hello, Markku. This is Judy from Sintrones. How are you doing today?
Hello, Judy. It's nice to meet you. I'm doing fine. Thank you.
I'm good. Well, thank you so much for joining us in our webinar today. It's the Sintrones' very first webinar as well. We're glad to have you here.
Thank you for having us. It's very nice to be here and join in the webinar with Sintrones.
All right, so to get us started, could you tell us the Sintrone solution that you have deployed today in your business and for what use case?
We have a co-project with company named Sinia Oy for multi-channel data routers for the trams in city of Helsinki and Tampere in Finland. Trams are manufactured by Skoda Transtech, which is international company, and the factories are in Finland. Data routers are based on new VBOX 3611D 5G model, and it have integrated 5G and 4G modems and centimeter level position system. Total volume of this project is around 120 units.
Okay, so the Sintrones VBOX 3611 is deployed in the tram systems?
Yes, correct. Yeah.
Okay, so in the initial stages of the project, what were the key product requirements or features or system requirements that you guys were looking for when you were picking a solution?
The computers are used in trams, so the train certification are needed. Also, the main feature are wide temperature range, since Finland has the temperature can be down in minus 35 degrees in wintertime and can be up to 35 degrees in summertime. So it's a whooping 70 degree difference. So it's it's a very, very difficult environment.
Okay, so you needed a wide temperature, support for the computer. Are there other features or requirements?
Yes, of course, the fanless design and possible to have multiple modems and so on, and the good connectivity on the computer were the key features in this project.
Okay. So it looks like you needed a quite robust solution to fulfill these requirements. Could you share with us one of the reasons why you decided to work with Sintrones?
We choose Sintrones computers since we have a long experience with the computers made by Sintrones. Production quality is in excellent level, and support personnel are skilled and fast. All the issues are solved very fast. Computers are flexible with the innovative features, and we have multiple projects going on with the computers.
Okay, well, that's great to hear. Is there anything else that you would like to share with us or the audience today about your experience with Sintrones so far, or how the deployment process went like?
everything has went smoothly on pretty much every project we have made with Sintrones, and we like to thank you, all the personnel working on Sintrones, for the great products and great support they are giving us, and we are looking more interesting projects together with Sintrones in future.
Thank you so much for these great words of advice and encouragement. We try to make sure that we keep our customers happy, and try to make sure that we do our best to meet the expectations of your team. Yep.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for joining us here today in the webinar, and we hope you have a great day.
Thank you. I wish you the same.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Marku. The following guests are from AU Optronics, our strategic alliance partner in Taiwan. AUO has demonstrated outstanding innovation capability based on its profound display R&D and manufacturing experience with a full range of display products. I would like to invite the Vice President, Mr. T.L. Zhen, and Sales Manager, Mr. Stock Flynn, to discuss how AUO and Sintrones join forces to integrate a medical testing equipment total solution.
大家好，我是曾天龙，我是友达负责系统及解决方案事业总。那等一下我们要跟你分享一下 AUO 友达跟那个新创电子合作的案例分享。首先我先介绍一下 AUO AUO 现在也在数位转型，所以在 Smart Solution 我们是希望能够提供一些解决方案的提供者，在不同的垂直市场。那我们 AUO 就在AUO Next， 就是说我们来谈论怎么样做数位转型。那我们的基本策略就是双轴转型 ，Go Premium 跟 Go Vertical。那 Go Vertical 里面我们有专注在4+1的场域。第一个就是智慧零售，第二个是智慧医疗，第三个是智慧交通，第四个是智慧娱乐，然后+1的话就是智慧制造。那我们希望说，在这个4+1的场域，能够让带领着 AUO 走向Next， 就是数位转型。那等一下我们会有一个案例分享，是在智慧医疗，那是我们跟新创电子的合作。那我们利用新创的VPC 来改成 NPC for medical 用的PC。那等一下我会请我同事把这个实例我们在场域上的应用跟大家做介绍。
大家好，我是 Stars， 我是友达负责系统及解决方案事业总部的业务。今天很高兴能够有这个机会，大家分享我新创在医疗检测仪器上面所合作的一个案例。那这台产品呢，它是一台 IVD 的体外诊断医疗器材。透过这台机器，我们希望能够帮助去大幅节省原来传统的人工镜检所需耗费大量医检师的人力以及工作负担，并去筛除85%的阴性。透过这台机器呢，我们对结核菌简体波病能够自动对焦拍摄大小大约是10μ的照片，透过 AI 的辨识系统快速精准匡列出结核菌，并节省医检师人工肉眼判断时间。那这台机器的组成包含了500万画素的相机、背光道、20倍物镜，透过 LED 成像光源搭载了高精度的重复定位机构以及高精度的 Z 轴微调定位机构，加上内嵌的一个 AI 运算处理器，能够做到完全自动的扫描及 AI 的辨识。那一般来讲，结核菌的大小大概是10μ，相当于人类毛发的1/5。透过我们这一台机器，能够做自动定位、对焦、扫描以及 AI 标注。那产出的照片呢，能够帮助医检师能够在极短的时间内去判断结核菌的位置以及多寡，做后续的处理。可是在于 新创合作之前，我们原来采用的 IPC， 在风扇以及哈地运转的时候，因为震动常常会导致对焦的失败，而造成影像模糊。那在 AI 辨识启动的时候，又因为 GPU 的风扇运转而导致影像晃动，这也会造成最后的影像无法使用。还有在 USB 失效所造成照片局部或全部的变暗。以上这些问题都造成了我们在产品的成熟度上面遇到相当多的一些难题。那在与新创合作之后，我们挑选了 A-Box 5210这台机器，它的无风扇的设计彻底的解决了影像模糊以及影像晃动，加上USB 界面稳定的设计，能够帮助我们去避免的以往所发生的所谓照片变暗的问题。那整机稳定的设计也帮助我们能够快速通过医疗等级的 EMC 法规认证。在下一步，我们希望能够与新创能够做更深化的一个合作开发，透过局部的色变加上控制的软体及来取代我们在原有机台上面的 MCU board， 以达到整体成本做更精简的一个开发。那透过这样的方式，能够带给我们的客户在后续市场能有更多的可能性。谢谢。
Thanks for everyone participating in Sintrones webinar from US, Canada, Europe, Middle East, Asia, and all other regions around the world. I hope you find information valuable, helpful for business transforming. If you have any questions about Sintrones product solution, please feel free to contact us anytime. You can scan the QR code and follow us on LinkedIn to keep in touch with our news and activities.